Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 6th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla rebounding a little bit. So we are up $11.29, 1.6%, closed at 714.84. Post market, we are up 46 cents. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Okay, Friday we came down to almost close to 700. And I cannot help but look at this perfection here. The top of the candle is right smack the resistance, and the bottom also at 700, which is another support. I put that double support recently, but it fits perfectly with this candle right here, May 18th, and the bottom of this one. Nothing is random. The movement of a stock is not random. Okay, so today we are coming up a little bit. So this is a red candle. We made a lower high, we made a higher low, and we have a longer wick at the bottom. The buyers won that round a little bit because the stock opened quite high. It opened right here, came all the way down, and then the buyers said, no, Tesla is too low. I need to buy some again. And then this is what pushed the stock back up. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Yes, so as I mentioned here, we have an extra resistance right here on the hourly chart. So we opened right next to this, came back down and moved back up. The volume was quite high, but the stochastic was extremely low at 23. And nothing came out of that move. Nothing came out of that move, and then the stock came back down. And it's coming back up a little bit, but stochastic is still extra low at 15. And we have some selling pressure right here with this long wick at the top and a wick at the bottom. So, we don't see much signs that the buyers are going to win yet. Going back on the daily chart, stochastic at 35, it's climbing a little bit. So maybe, I'm just going to say this, but maybe we are going to do something like this. Maybe this is what is going to be happening. We'll see if we break this downward resistance right here. So this is what is going to tell us what is happening. And we also need to stay above the support. So we just need to stay put and look at which lines are going to be broken. MACD still crossing over bullish. RSI below 50. That's a thumb down. And DMI, we have the red line above the green line. That's a thumb down also. Let's go look at the VIX a little bit. VIX coming back up a little bit, but pretty much undecided. Not much to see here. Sideways day also for Dow Jones, S&P. So S&P, okay, S&P, we had a trend here, an uptrend, and now it's getting broken a little bit. So basically, yeah, that was not much of an uptrend. It was okay right here, but it basically became a congestion zone. So the stock is going sideways. And the stock is between 39.93 and 41.61. Going sideways. No, that's not the one I wanted to see. NASDAQ Composite, pretty much the same thing, going sideways, respecting 11,996 quite well. Now we are touching it. Stochastic is getting nice on the NASDAQ. It's getting, stochastic is over 60. This is an indication that the likelihood is that the stock might be going up. The same thing with NASDAQ 100. So stochastic is quite good. S&P, stochastic is also good on stochastic. The stochastic is also good on S&P. So there's a clear possibility that things could be going back up to retest this downward resistance right here. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.